Welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face alignment, such as face alignment using OpenCV and DLIB library, face of Ganguly that was aligned a long back ago video. Then face alignment from multiple faces using DLIB using OpenCV, that was our few weeks ago. And our latest video was face alignment using OpenCV, DLIB and face alignment with MediaPipe for landmark. But today's video is really enhancement of that previous video. Here I am using face landmark with face alignment, okay, without MediaPipe, but I am using skimage for attractive graphics. Here skimage used so that a graph so that image and the colors and on the face and this thing, and then subplot human face. I have taken human that Kaggle library I have downloaded zip file. Now I will execute the program. Yes, it will take some time because lot of human faces are there. Data set I have taken from Kaggle. It will take some time, please be patient. Yes. Yes. So using matplotlib, all landmarks are displayed and lip landmark is also displayed. Due to skimage, the image look attractive and matplotlib. So I successfully done with facial landmark using face alignment network. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos, if possible face alignment and or then face recognition, face detection, maybe MTCNN, maybe FaceNet, or maybe biometric attendance, and maybe face login and this thing, and quite interesting videos on Node.js and React.js using Postman and this thing. So for latest update of machine learning videos using Python, keep watching my channel sanjaymahajan youtube.com. Thanks for watching.